Hello, welcome to my channel Explore Isabel. Today we are here at Treetops Park. The whole park is 243.3 acres. It's a natural park, which means that it was naturally created and not just planted by humans, and it was created in 1980. It almost became a golf course, but Broward County intervened and saved it just in time. Another few extra features about this park is the campfire ring, picnic area, and the playgrounds. There are horse trails, walking trails, canoe trails, and two of the trails are called Live Oak Trail and Seminole Trail. Most of the trees that you see here are oak trees. It's really shaded, so it's a very nice temperature. It's actually really not that hard to get lost here. So the technique that we used to make sure that we weren't completely lost, we used WhatsApp and shared our live location with each other, and once we got lost, but luckily not forever. There are lots of horse crossings along the pathway, so even though this isn't the streets, make sure that you look both ways before crossing the streets. And because that's a safety rule, funny enough, this is where Safety Town is. I'll explain about it later. You can hear loads of birds, and another place that's known for its birds, but it's still in Treetops Park, is the Great Florida Birding and Wildlife Trail. I think that there might be some gumbo limbo in here. It's a type of tree with the white spots on it, and it's kind of reddish too. There are loads of different wildlife here, like fish, alligators, birds, and turtles. Maybe if we're lucky, we'll be able to see an alligator here. It's not allowed to fish on the boardwalk above the water. There's also another area for boating, so please do not fish or boat here. Even worse, do not fish from your own boat in here. Please don't break any rules or regulations. Please. Oh, look, do you see the turtle? I cannot stress this enough, and there are literally 23 acres of restored freshwater, and that should provide enough boating and fishing areas. So please do not boat or fish here. I can't stress this enough. This is a very picturesque place, and we also took some photos. We're also pretty sure that the viewing tower is nearby, according to the sign here. The viewing tower looks very pretty in the photo, and it's the main attraction of this park, Treetops Park. It's known for its name because of all its treetops. Come on, let's go and see. What you see here is a banyan tree. Its roots come down from its branches, and I honestly believe that this tree makes us all younger again, because even my 74-year-old grandpa started hanging on the roots. And here it is! Finally! The 28-foot observation tower! This here is Safety Town. Does it look familiar? Or sound familiar? That's because I already did a video about it. If you want to see it, click on the link above. So I'm hoping and trusting that you guys enjoy this as well. So please, if you liked it, or if you want more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Support me, motivate me, and thank you. Bye!